In this video, we are going to set up our website to get started with our Elementor. So first of all, go to settings, and this time we are going to take a look at our general settings. In the general setting, you have the site title and the tagline. I'm going to remove the tagline from here and then scroll down and simply click on these save changes. Once you're done with this step, go to permalinks and now simply change the permalinks to the post name, and now click on save changes. And now we are done with our basic settings of WordPress, and now we are ready to go. See you in the next video.